What if I told you that the future of artificial intelligence is not just about computers and algorithms, but about creating machines that can think, act, and interact like humans? This is the world of humanoid robots, where AI and robotics come together to create machines that can change our daily lives. From healthcare and education to entertainment and manufacturing, humanoid robots have the potential to revolutionize industries and transform the way we live and work. But what does it take to build these machines, and what are the latest advancements in the field? In this video, we'll take you on a journey into the world of humanoid robots, exploring the latest innovations, tools, and techniques for building and programming these machines.
So let's dive deeper into the world of humanoid robots. One of the key challenges in building these machines is creating a system that can think and act like a human. This requires advanced AI algorithms, sophisticated sensors, and powerful computing systems. But it's not just about the technology. It's also about creating a machine that can interact with humans in a natural and intuitive way. This means developing robots that can understand and respond to human emotions, recognize and respond to voice commands, and even learn from human behavior. We'll explore the latest advancements in human-robot interaction, including the use of machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing.
But as we explore the potential of humanoid robots, we also need to consider the controversy and ethics surrounding these machines. What happens when a robot is able to think and act like a human, but is still a machine? Do we give it the same rights and responsibilities as a human, or do we treat it as a tool? These are the kinds of questions that are being debated by experts in the field, and we'll explore the different perspectives and arguments. We'll also examine the potential risks and benefits of humanoid robots, including the potential for job displacement, the risk of AI bias, and the potential for robots to be used in ways that are harmful to humans.
So, what does the future hold for humanoid robots? As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see these machines become increasingly sophisticated and integrated into our daily lives. We may see robots that can assist us in our homes, robots that can help us in our workplaces, and even robots that can provide companionship and social interaction. But we'll also need to consider the potential implications of these machines, including the potential for job displacement, the risk of AI bias, and the need for regulation and oversight. We'll explore the different scenarios and predictions for the future of humanoid robots, and examine the steps that are being taken to ensure that these machines are developed and used in ways that benefit society.
So, what can you do to get started with building and programming your own humanoid robot? The first step is to learn about the basics of AI and robotics, including machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. You can find many online resources and tutorials that can help you get started, including courses and videos on platforms like YouTube and Udemy. You can also explore the different tools and technologies that are available for building and programming humanoid robots, including software frameworks like ROS and Python libraries like PyTorch. And finally, you can join online communities and forums where you can connect with other developers and researchers who are working on humanoid robots. By taking these steps, you can start to unlock the power of humanoid robots and explore the many possibilities and applications of these machines. So what are you waiting for? Like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and developments in the world of AI and robotics.